Akwaaba wezo Akwaaba afina Oobakɛ yenya hu mesua nwoma
tuntum ni ko hu welcome yo okay ko hu welcome baby a oye okay eno de afa amano ba ono ane de ne obepe means bia yese ade na aba be yese na ankwanko yese
Timemufo na yete Ghana no de bia ye niema aban no ho kwan ema ne boye krono
ragati asamaba
enti Oobakɛ no akofa ensem bebrebe e de abaga na hanomo what I say ganfo ne chema yese Akwaaba na ewo Kutika International Airport no ene Kwame Nkrumah Park signage na Akwaaba na ewo so yese ne nyina ne for the word Oobakɛ e be say ganfo kasa Oobakɛ ama we akwahwensem bebrebe na no e de abana at this moment no CodeMicky Captain Caesar Trouble Carlos and Afia Schwar snega bi say o ma betere o ma dwen ewo ho na o ma be dem Accra Regional Minister Linda Oklu na obeki kan dance ensem no be ye dia de bi no omo abe clash with her akekoma dwen pa e de akire no I Penyah block media mess for say any dey mo obe like video no ada ma subscribe to snap click be on Facebook and latest update na be kire wa dwen dia ma me e wo comment section mess for so baswa no wa share no for so anya bi ahwe e to dey kan atre we be amote ase be ba store no every airba ninya start 2023 after say gamanche emite kufa na ho no odinka de agenda bi to kufa de kufa de M1 na nka ni yem kwa na on say Greater Accra region no emia the Gandangwe region ama kufa de mfia ngwa ga say no de na nya abotre na eneba de titi every kakra what I say and from there na say asi omutiri ma say nkofi omunya bibi ombeye any say ebusi 2025 we no gamanche dinka be chire mo say oh so obi free baby eba Gan asare so a ne yanka Akwaaba ni meka Oobakɛ.
Accra, the heartbeat of the nation. We say Oobakɛ. So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Oobakɛ. Can you say that? Oobakɛ.
And what children will signage be up here signage by say Akwaaba Park signage. And the point say Akwaaba e was na Akwaaba na was so particular no. Ana ganfon say and say yewula gamanche ni tekiteku wa bin kan abechirim ss obi bagan yenka Akwaaba na yenka Oobakɛ and as I go for a whole lot of conversation aba eti ganfon omo defense nyina ne say an Kutika International Airport eni Kumasi na be isu Akwaaba also ezenka wo Kumasi am kan Akwaaba dan kini problem but ewo Kumasi ewo gan no nko ade yemfa Akwaaba meto so gan yeso e wo kasa Ayɛka eti Akwaaba yi no edinka international be say Cote d'Ivoire Accra na omo airport ye de Akwaaba na welcome and we must ewo nyom kura wo airport on ma enyom no Akwaaba wo mu ene de welcome just Akwaaba no it is far gone enisa fe na mo be challenge bia but Linda Oklu na oye Greater Accra Regional Minister also be bo defense ade bia ewo gan sa so no the people of Gan and better we are the code no de ye de din ade also to so any ade even kwa no ways on I was na ways on ye ever kasa no kwa o mo say ways on free so o mo nya Akwaaba no ways on nyina anko na emeye welcome and Oobakɛ. The ref say welcome the broni bi kasa. The ref say welcome broni bi kasa. Na we mu no ana CodeMicky Captain Caesar Trouble Carlos any of us say o ma be clash with her no o ma kire o ma dwene e wo ade we nyina ho.
Timemufo na yete Ghana no de bia ye niema aban no ho kwan ema ne boye krono de bia timemufo na omote Ghana no omo na bie kwan ma Ghana aban empanyimfo no omote kronim no boye krono bo civilians ne krono Oobakɛ ne Akwaaba nsesaye no de ne beye ama Ghana man Oobakɛ ene Akwaaba nsesaye na ye kwan no Kotoka International Airport no de mpa ne beye ama Ghana man ye timamufo na ye ko ho no ye na ye bie kwan ama politicians no etimi awie sika say nsesaye no Ghana politicians John Mahama na aban ebeka se okay ye the $100 billion ana nsesaye na memma wo bi anjimi see my face emma wo bi anjimi because aban ni tene ba bi na odwen ne ho ana mo kura edwen Ghana mpumtuo no ho but yet mamufo ye jiminti ye di endwen Ghana mpumtuo ho ye di Akwaaba enu Oobakɛ ana hia yen se kire se nsesaye embra enu wetimi ma ga chief council ana se ga chief tensi 40 meeting ase se Akwaaba na egu Kotoka no yezesa no ne enye no Oobakɛ me John Dramani Mahama na nkati say we kabekate billion. I swear. Because my Jimmy. Yen Jane or mine ye dear. Yen Jane or man can go. Accra o yen cranny, Otwo. Shed ya cry, ye show can circle. Shed we are Accra and Yang. Na on Jane pum to Emma and cry. Na wo Jane Oobakɛ any Akwaaba egu Kotoka International Airport to the Oya Boa. Uyo Jane and the Kotoka di Monsano. Na munye ni Charles Niema. Efrizo Kotoka no krano. Onyan krani oyangunani. Adia Charles Niema mensa. Shatawale. Aye aman crying for. Odu mukasa. Etimi akwa etire ama okukuma se krana ye kan crying wo. All because of Shatawale nyum. Monva airport no to Shatawale Charles Niema International Airport. Ene beboa. Cause Shatawale wo boan crying for pa. You understand what I mean? Se Akwaaba no na mo pese mo sana mo sesa edini so. Mo sesa airport ni din so. Ah. Hey John Dramani mama. We are 3 billion what? Free mi donya mi wedi o ma bie mama o.
Listen. Sometimes some things are not for tribalism. Listen. This is not the time for it. This is not the time for it. But we don't have time. It's Akwaaba. Wezo Akwaaba. Afina Oobakɛ. Yenya hu mesua nyoma. Akwaaba na ya che Clinton ne George Bush ne Queen Elizabeth ne Prince one mo. And crime for you should start. Minimum crime for. You know the things you people should be angry over. Not Akwaaba Oobakɛ. And with all due respect. Yes, I say. Akwala ye bobo no ni mu bo. So chinchina so born any day into obeche. Oh yes, I kill a bit and trying to send me another second to your bone in Napai. Oh. Instead of you to fight over slogans, fight over unity, come together as a tribe. Come together as a tribe. Accra. There is a whole lot to be done. Empower the youth, education, business. Empower them. Empower the youth in crime phone call. Empower them. Yeah, the 2 million I shall on Sana Uniska. What was the 2 million commerce canino? Now what describe it? That is what it is. We can give you everything. With all due respect, I cry for you people. But and Sassine Gun crying is legone, Trasako no, and crying for those saying, and what property wo. And Sassine Gun is legon, Trasako, patron crying for those saying at the cantonment, and crying for those saying, and at the airport hills. We need to empower as the people of God, we need to empower ourselves. Because they are empower youth now. Ye did 2 million the man on by side their come out war. No, they are di. It is the truth. Na sense sa, mami can be in chum. Senya kind phone ye nipa, ye ni a ding. Ah, and Kaibo form a jing kind for us. Hello. Yam Fayena yen see for ma. And Kaibo form a jing kind for us. Evangelist me that's a for gift. Yam Fayena yen see for ma. And Kaibo hini. And Kobisi na hini. I won't cry home. One in am cry home. So ye king. A yet then you walk King Takiti. Near Sawa another king. It was as a barcoso. How is that possible? How? There were a lot of things. I wasn't kind for more forcing more energy. Focus on it than Akwaaba Oobakɛ Oba Trumu Oba Gomez Akota Fremadia Trumu. No, there are a lot of things we can fight over it. The first part is empowerment. Empower the youth. Empower the generation.
CodeMicky TV ni Akwaaba Oobakɛ and a ways on the air trend or my way mo. Aden ya binu mo chese Kotoka International Airport no do arrive ya try Akwaaba kesebo. Na aden na hankwanko Oobakɛ ankran kasa ma kyese welcome ana se weizo ai be kasa ma kyese welcome na kwakoya Akwaaba me busa wo se osori anopa na okotokoko jiko se boso every ya busa won se aduane no koko ni ko se no me try mo breakfast na ya busa won sa you see oman na yetimu no yetimu as Ghana for those your ethnic groups no by the way coexist peacefully no ama Ghana damu sronko e wa Africa the Ghana ya yere tu ye ho se ye to abase de ya ntokwa ntumi nsi ni ama a major reason say inter-ethnic marriages no to bo se nkran ni no ni agbeni aware agbeni no ni asante ni aware nti akola no busa na mefa free ha eno ne ma ye Ghana fo ye oni ma bi wo aye betoy ye betoy no sa na abia baby abefo bia welcome you obi a ye nya Akwaaba na yaka eno na etisa e wo airport no wo danyane a wo nyane edi bibia be so waketua so na ati bibia firi waketua so ena oduru baby na obi ba ma we mu ne ye ka asembe ne omoka se ye Ghanaian language a kire se Akwaaba which means welcome ti adena ye wo ho a ye wo niema SMA attention koso na issues we are misplaced priority a ensesa we no ye be kwa press button we bet me de assemble class and bo man we mu oko Ashanti regional in cry for wo agbefo wo they coexist peacefully Oobakɛ tribe bia bi wo oko voter register tribe bia bi wo ti adan ne wo ho a ye masa ade ne bomu no ye hwe ha wa sa unity no ye be si a broaden no na ye pese ye bibi e man tetemu ba the politician no say holding accountable say e be a taxpayers money o use ni ye ya say ye no ye ntumi nye united in face o mo a o mo hu nyema bi say ya na ye mo de I'm always telling you that politicians no they get pen o mo ye maye to mo se ya tena se ne ye tirima bi say no o be press sa batim so ya ma ya we ho no no afi wonya peace of mind ye de obeye because someone say ya adwene ni say no ye mpempo ntio de bia ye pese baby a wa cement ye we no ye san akọ ye de nyema ko dwiri cement ne ye say ho tum ni ko hu welcome ye okay ko hu welcome baby a oye okay eno de afa amano ba ono a ne de ne obepe means bia ye say ade na aba be ye say na ankwanko ye say lifestyle be ni wom sa no adi wo dada me see so nyina me ba nyina e ya Akwaaba ikra brofo no kra wo ho no mo busa say what is happening, what is trending na ye ko chirechire mo say nyema we na trend ya o me say ha no problem no so almost ha no problem ne so just ye danyane ani apre bibia betum ye danyane ani apre bibia betum ye danyane ani apre e ko abi kura yese na ne de aye no mo nko no mo ko yi Akwaaba ni fro no mo se sa ways no ade a emma problem bia ma obi ate no ase o na o ko change ni sa nipa no so be bia Akwaaba no how will the person feel me what the person so part of Ghana ti afi no bi so kwa wiem ene ade we so e free ano ene no e se mo so bu yi free ade we free na emu be tre sa be na ati say titita the problem about mine ni pati hono wo freedom a ompe wo ye gene ye ho wo freedom a ye mpe e ho se Ghana no ne ma nkoye na se ye ka health service wo omo customer service ne ma wo yi se ye nhwe eno no enka ne ma e ho hia ne ma ho hia we're talking about Akwaaba the ways of the Oobakɛ obawo obanji eno na say ababe dani adia na we try na we the politicians almost sign fast ya ni sign for am be sign we are no say yen crop we rule o mo dey say o ma dwen dey tefa so na bibia bam no mo discuss it. You see, yes I is selfish yen tuntum for yes I is selfish me the koko na example achiro enyi bo go to anu mo di o musa na se na koko no a me no wa kra na me no wa no koko no me try breakfast na we a go pe be atena din abo mo tu ana se bebi en de o musa eni se ye be ye ne sa ye nto ye bo ase ye hwehwe ne emam suit ne ma hye nyina enyi free ha Yes, say I had the suit near my near watches near style cray, I say, and I say, you know, no money say, young come back here to make African road, never and live with this. I said, sir, Chaba money, sir, look care guys be on go Tanzania on a living. Then he won't say a demon here, one, near for fruit, we are near ma. Near fruit, we are near ma. English language, you know, cry English language, na Ayɛka no. A drew history mum rebino. French for no be colonize woman English words ni be na ye French words and abam. That is how I say a ye. Because mo ba in contact near man up near my air broaden up. Ya wo Ghanaian languages be a ko kabro fun se ko shoko beri near ma because almost ba ha be colonize. Don't be colonized or by in contact with yen or hanoso kasa ni be ko realm. And you see a do baby embracing him being move forward. But oh yes, oh kwa pressing buttons be kwa who baby a baby shany way baby a baby sha but kwa trigger near manka e be uja in sa enko change way no kwa trigger na e no the divisions ni nyema be ho hia eba nipa no so oh yes I divisions ni wie ni yina oh you pen be din din ba nko pe baby dadin no apra to ma say mine kwa because ono e basa na ono so ni age and me hwe de ekoso na me say I na Ghana no ye say ana say ye de be no talking about Akwaaba Oobakɛ Wezo. What is that? Oh, media say Korean politicians no mo jo mo pa no mo eso mo ye no your leaders no because mo who say yeah no na ye airport aye na di airport one dance here hwe kra bia ye be ka say airport no e sen hwe other side no terminal 2 on so they won't be see here na be other countries on bet my other regions on bet my ye bi ho no afere ye jani nyina kwa asese ye chese Akwaaba na e wo anim ho no Akwaaba na e wo na sese ababe dane trending issue aye discuss Akwaaba na ababe dane trending issue aye discuss tisi ya wo bi na nipa ne bia ye friend say Fosu e bia fan say friend say your friend say Fosu Ibrahim and I say Fosu Abdella and I say Fosu Musa. Wo busa say ni din no e ba ne say be ye sa na ababa. Won't be go question ni maami na ni papa sa dem ko ware free na so ko ware sa na aba. Enti omo produce ni pana ba am create problem bi anti ase ye adwuma no mane nko. Nya fi na wo kwa trigger ni mama kwa busa de asi ekire awie no. Once I have to me moving on no mane nko na de da ni me ye hwe ne nye no. Nan say wo ba kwa press buttons bi ni be the problems e be bakwa. You talking about the Akwaaba Oobakɛ Wezo. Na e basa no tribe bia so e yi ni ti say ene so no so nya representation ani e den. And so the welcome they accept your welcome the bo. Oko Nigeria, the northern side and the southern side no enka. Here nyame aboye ama tribes no wait me ware way we coexist peacefully aye nyina ye wom aba be a formidable force bia ama say ye hwese ntokwa na ebe sikura because of sad de bond na ewom no and not me tintim ma sa ntokwa na ne ma na nsi na anke be celebrate sad de no ye pe bibia bit ma say sa side no Oobakɛ Akwaaba Wezo edena no
Ragati asamaba. In fact, sa Oobakɛ ene Akwaaba asemi amama hu se in fact asantefo ye hu ahi. Now we need to be very careful about everybody around us. Oya santini na se wo ba bia. You need to be very careful. Because minima de krontia Akwaaba ho asem ena Ayɛka. From day one, everything that I am hearing, Ashantis, Otumfo, and Asantefo, Omojune say, they know everything, they over sabi, and Omuye to know because of an internet yampa Akwaaba no. And when a catcher say Akwaaba, Asantefo kasa. Akwaaba, Akanfo kasa. Yeka akana, Abunofo ka ho, Kwawfo ka ho, Enfantefo ka ho, Ekuapem ka ho, obia oka kasa bia eye twi kasa eye akan kasa eye link to mesi bia no oye akani entin Akwaaba no enya santefo kasa eye akanfo kasa. But from the first video me here ade amedi kan hunu ye eye amanfo they are complaining with this Akwaaba with Ashantis. Na wutie bongo idea ne nkwase asem bi okan ya ane ena gamanche ebe kan se amanfo enya dede ye ewo Accra na omut amanfo to kan kwase asem pa cho se gamanche kasa ewo na sase so na se nana mebu mimu na so omumbu no na se enu nti no omu be kasa kasa enu no ye enkranfo no momo masamwa that have nothing to do with Otumfo. Otumfo maami ewu eye ya mamre de ho ene so ye nto ya mamre ntwene ene Otumfo nyame mfasa ama ohene kese chiame tofom a Kumase ye close bibia down the same thing na hema so tofom eye mamre da ho no mo ena ye be yesoso ye bedi so enti you see. These are the difference between Ashantis and then the rest. Omo makan, omu hene. Ebia na sa wanka so onu muto. Gaman chebe kasa say omu bo drums, omu ye de nto omu ntwa so no, amanfo ye tobe so omu ntie, omu di natem. Ba sa ade no entimi nso Kumase. Otumfo nkasa emye ntwena no enwo fo da. Because ye buye hene, ye respect your culture. Entini sa mo no mumbu mu hene, na sa mo respect mo culture. That have nothing to do with us. Anka me nwanwa say kasa a Ghana metimi aka cho say 90% and I say 80% of Ghana, the whole Ghana obie ni honom a wontitwi, and that is fact. Ye Ghana fo nyina begu honom na say ye 100 no emu 90 or 80% etitwi. Majority carry the vote, meaning say Twi is the most powerful language in Ghana as it stands right now. Efiti ena Clinton eba Ghana no. Kasa ba na ye kire no. Ye Twi. Ye kire na Akwaaba, ye kire na nananom. Twi is the most powerful language. Even Kwana say ne ye kasa ye baba betena se ape ebia 3 or 4 or 5 top languages are. Was here Kano Africa? I am telling you, say, Twi is going to be part, whether you like it or not. Yes, sanity. Nobody have any issue. Say, open so promote to language. It is allowed. Question is, say, Accra hono krano school do say, eno mo cheren kran kasa, e wo school mo. But uko Ghana, school bia, tama me ko Ghana me ko school no ni e chire Twi e wo school bia ga, man this ye chire ga. Mi ko school Kumase chire Twi me ba Accra ni chire Twi. What does that say to you? Enti no de mo ye no mente ase. Wo de kokrobi to say na vrongo. Kokrobi to say northern side of Ghana. Okokodru hono mo na wote Ghana. Na wonte kasa bia kagape enkambrofo unyo bia ne communicate. Togo se wote Ghana na se won ka kan kasa. Eye mfanti Twi akuapem one of this languages trust me unyo bia ne communicate. Na se wonte brofo a na de kasa me de me yenkrani. Entine chale it is time we need to accept the fact say Twi is official language in Ghana. And a Twi no it goes beyond Ghana. Entine sa wo issue with it and American I don't have any issue of you promoting your own. And as a woba abrochire hanoma as I stand right now I'm telling you yawo enkranfo bebre honoma omo mana o machimo ma wo mo no omo nchiro mo mu krom kasa. Apart from brofo obekọ ne ma etifie brofo nko ano moka se wo ko vra Ghana ni bi fie na so nipa kro no ye akanni a I am telling you say what in the krom kasa na etete ba so ye mfantini so ye asantini wo ye ho ahwani ne bat ne krom kasa especially asantefo ne abonofo umu na yade wo sade we say pa ho enti no sa mo pese mo promote mo krom kasa. You guys don't need to force it on people. Airport no Ghana International Kotoka International Airport. Yankase Kotoka Accra Airport Kotoka International Airport. Ena Accra no kura sa di Accra no hwamu na de sa di ne maamo. Santefo nkran me nkran ye ne atumudin. Mone ya mose ya framo gas. Ene mun change enkran no Accra no. Ena brofo no be na Accra because omuntimi nka mun change mfiri so. Because eno so asantofo no de yen kasa kanfo asantofo yen ne de maamo. Chale, it is very sad. Very sad. Say one Ghana, but all of a sudden we are trying to bring this empire because of one particular statement, Akwaaba. I will even understand because for this is our land. Inti Akwaaba no kwanebia anke afia de enhya ho kakra na yen fan hyase. There be omo say no to Akwaaba on Galand. Na de bone bay. Eni padodo say ne kankran kasa e Ghana. Even kasa kura no si ye kasa agidin wo Ghana enkran kasa enka ho baako uyi twia ebia Hausa na nka obeyi. Se wuyi akan kasa free ho no mu a ebia Hausa kasa na beto aso. Enkran for de mu nka ho kura. Ena airport no so no enye nkran for dia. Ti sa agenda no a master te ena say no to Akwaaba no mo boa. Mo boa. Ye wa ha ena eye alatafo eba ebefa monsase enkranfo ni bi etimi beye video ebetena beka say ane na asase so na ye de moma na ayedai. Asase kura mompe na Oobakɛ no eno na mope chale te say me ti asem na ama me ti kura ya me ya honestly ama me ti ya me ya ta asase hu nsem yi eye asantefo megasa kanfo asantefo na gigina mu eko hu ntokwa ye hu demonstration wa ansa na enkrafo ahemfofo kura baba bekasa because they say omo baba beji ensase na sa bongo ideas ne dotum so no adwene de ne patrine bi na ne trim onka se mienti a wo se senkenye Accra anke bi mu hunu edan atenten krada na me pa cho sa de atenten na esi Ghana no ni dodo sai eno mudin de da sa dan ne so eye onyankopon sira bi na aba be tokro no so ena hono aba be capital ena santefo kwofo entafo a Ghana ye komo mu wosika ye sa nkrofo no o maba Accra ba besisi da sa de atenten no enye sa wu se kranka wunya bi nhwe kieso obia ntra ne krom enye ne krom ye ni capital Ghana ye Ghana anka Accra de wositi no kran I don't think senke be yesa ena wo penkranfo ankasa wa Accra wo hwekra wo hu bi chale we need to do what is right. Na ye nyai say ena Oobakɛ ena oba ho ahwan ena say no to Akwaaba.
Beto achile wa adwen ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media Accra.